Greetings Facebook, greetings YouTube. This is Nazir Ra once again, and today I'm going to talk to you about the second ingredient in the food of the gods, the 3-2-1 power shake that we call food of the gods. Now, those of you who follow New Dawn Transformation, those of you who are members of Hidden Power University, know and understand that we talk a lot about the Kundalini energy. And we know and understand that the Kundalini energy, the Shekinah, and the Holy Ghost and the Divine Feminine is all talking about the same energy. Not only do we go into the metaphysics and the spiritual aspect, we connect it through science and physiology to your actual body. True spiritual work is aligning your physical body, making it like a bride so that it welcomes the higher energies. I'm saying all that to say this. All the products that we produce for the people are not things that we produce just to, have an industry and just to produce them just to do it. These are things that we use in our household, and those who are down here in Atlanta that follow New Dawn Transformation, are members of New Dawn Transformation. These are things that we use on a regular basis that has been proven to raise the frequency of our body. For example, the cacao. The theobromine is the substance that alkalizes your blood. Okay, it is a whole plethora of other benefits for that. But today we're going to talk about the Maca. The Maca is a tonic for your endocrine system. Your endocrine system is the system of glands, ductless glands as well, in your body that secrete certain hormones. What are hormones? Hormones simply means to regulate change. It represents changes in the body. All the changes in your body are regulated by hormones. However, in this environment, we've been inundated with an excess of estrogen. Let me explain. Plastic water bottles. Plastic water bottles, by design or by default, somehow secrete xenoestrogen that when ingested, especially by males, decreases their testosterone. It decreases their fire. It decreases their heru, if you will. And those of you who like to indulge in conspiracy theories, and I like to do it myself sometimes, will say that, well, yes, that's the Illuminati or the devil or some secret government that's purposely putting that in there. It may be true, maybe not true. It doesn't matter. You need to stay away from the bottles because it's a fact that it leaches these chemicals. It has disastrous effects on women, on their reproductive systems. Women getting fibroids. It leaches chemicals into the water. And the more pure the water is, the more chemicals it leaches into it. Okay, especially distilled water. Get yourself glass water bottles or some form of metal. Okay, I don't have my metal water bottle to show you, but get the metal. Okay. And there's some of them say that plastic ones that don't leach. You can trust that if you like and indulge in that. But glass is totally inert. It's totally neutral as well. But glass shatters, so I would say the metal bottles. Back to Maca. Maca is going to balance all of that. It is the second ingredient in the 3-2-1 power shake. It balances your hypothalamus gland as well as your pituitary gland, which are master glands which regulate all your other glands. Okay, your testes, your pancreas, all of these glands, okay, as well as your pineal gland. And I know a lot of you know the science on the pineal gland. It is your spiritual brain. It is also your stargate. So if you're going to ascend, you have to nourish the physical parts of your body because it is intermeshed with your spiritual body. If you are to balance your endocrine system, it opens up a wealth of avenues for change in your life. People having problems with reproduction, that clears up. People having problems with depression, individuals that's having problems with mood swings, ADHD, bipolar, all of these things are the result of endocrine system or hormonal system that has gone haywire. I would also stress to you the synergistic effects of taking all three together, the maca, the cacao, and the chlorella.